Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall or remove Process Monitor from your Windows computer step by step. Because Process Monitor is a portable application from Microsoft Sysinternals, it doesn't install like most traditional Windows programs. That means removing it is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, make sure Process Monitor is completely closed. If it's still running, exit the application and open Task Manager to confirm there are no Process Monitor processes running in the background. If necessary, select the process and click End Task. Next, locate the folder where you extracted the Process Monitor files. This is usually the folder you created after downloading and extracting the zip archive from the Microsoft Sysinternals website. Since the application runs directly from this folder, there isn't a standard uninstaller. Now, simply delete the Process Monitor folder along with all of its files. If you created desktop shortcuts or start menu shortcuts for the application, you can delete those as well. This completely removes the portable application from your computer. If you've saved any Process Monitor log files and no longer need them, you can also delete those separately to free up disk space. Otherwise, keep them if you want to review them in the future. Finally, empty the recycle bin if you want to permanently remove the deleted files from your computer. And that's it. You now know how to uninstall or remove Process Monitor from your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.